So we have our Visual Studio 2017 ready with us. It is an IDE integrated development environment, which means this is an environment, this software itself provides us the environment to develop our projects and code seamlessly without running into much issues like integration and all stuff. It does download and integrate all the default classes for us and all the necessary assemblies for us. So we'll see an overview of this IDE before starting the project. You can see Solution Explorer is there, error list is there, and Team Explorer is there. So and in the file, edit, and menu, these menu options, what all they can do. And so we'll create the project and learn side by side the IDE. So I'm going to create a new project. So we'll start with the Windows desktop application. We'll first start with the console app. You can name your app whatever you want. So I'm giving it a name as test project. You can see the location. You can visit the location and see this project physically at the particular location. And the framework you can select with whatever you need, whatever you want to go with, but I'm going with the latest framework and clicking on OK. So it is the first project we have created. The test project is created for us. The IDE has already installed the necessary default classes. You can see there are many things in the Solution Explorer. The purpose of Solution Explorer is to manage our project, manage our code. The assembly info CS stands for C sharp. This is a C sharp file. So the IDE has already installed loaded some of the default necessary classes for us, which will help us building the project and running this test project for us. So I'm going to close this, and another one is references. So you can see many of the system classes, system core classes, and Microsoft C sharp language itself. This is something, the C sharp language developed by Microsoft. So in this project, in every project, we would need this C sharp language itself. So this is something uh, absolutely necessary to develop the code with C sharp. So IDE does all this stuff for us automatically. So we just need to focus on our uh, code. So another thing is app.config is the config file of our application. So it does contain few things like .NET framework, what version of .NET framework we are going to use in this application. So there is a server explorer. As of now, the server is connected to my local machine. You can see in the servers here, my desktop number is available on the screen here, and above that you can see Azure is not connected. So this is Azure is something cloud service provided by Microsoft, so I'm not connected to that, so it is showing me in the red cross. After that we can see this quick launch option, so we can search anything here. So I'm going to search this test. If we our project has grown so much, and we forgot what uh, we are we have to search something, so we can search here. It will show the test in each and every file, where whether it is an installed or something, or in our class itself. We have Team Explorer. While working on the bigger projects, an entire team of developers work and to collaborate with each other, and to control the versioning of the code, we use this Team Explorer option. Error list is there to help developers to tackle the errors and warning messages coming while running the code, to while facing some issues. So this is the default class we have got when we have created our project. So we can see the properties of this class. We'll have to press F4 on the keyboard. So you can see the file name is program.cs. This is a C sharp file, and here the name is, and along with the path we can see in the properties. Another one is, under this file we have a program class. So this is the class, and this is the name of this class. So inside this we have a main method, and we can see in the properties the name of the main method is main. So this is the center area. The code editor will spend most of our time while developing the code into this code editor. So we'll learn how to develop the project.